Hey, this is the week, eh?
What do you mean this is the week?
By the way, the King of Netherlands is in the building.
Yeah, he landed yesterday with the Queen. Yes.
Unaenda happy?
They're here for 4 days. I don't know what they're doing here for 4 days.
Unaenda rally?
No. I'm going to host a 40th birthday bash. Those guys are paying 2 million. Why would they refuse?
Ya mtoto wa 40 years. Niite nikuje na kayamba. You know, I've realized
they didn't even negotiate. I was like, guy.
Hapa Kenya.
Yeah.
Kuongea peke yake.
Wamechukua the most expensive hotel in Nanyuki nzima.
Okay. At 40 years. A small boy. Why don't I have friends like those?
I don't know. I think that on Saturday, the net worth in Nanyuki will be in the region of at least 2 trillion.
Now tunachangia muzinga nilitoa wapi, you know.
Those are the kind of friends you've got.
Mtu wala analipa kika anatoka mnainuka nyi wote. Anaenda wapi huyu?
So enjoy the rally.
I have to go. I want to go to the rally. I know you don't like sending me there to represent.
I can get you a VVIP pass.
Yes.
Shall I see if I can get you a helicopter?
Helicopter? Tunaweza enda hivi kwanza nyumbani wanione alafu tuende hivi.